Welcome to the video guide for the RFTC-6 multi-zone glass thermostat. In this tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. First, we'll show you the easy setup how to quickly install and connect your thermostat. You can find the full step-by-step guide and datasheets in the video description. There, you'll get detailed instructions for configuration, daily use, and all important technical specifications. With this video, you'll have a clear overview of the RFTC-6 and all the tools you need for efficient and comfortable control of your heating and cooling. RFTC-6 is designed for electric underfloor heating, direct heating devices, or central boilers. It features a built-in 16-amp relay. The thermostat can control up to 16 independent heating zones and offers time schedules for smart heating control. It also supports external temperature sensor and operates with a power supply from 110 to 230 volts AC. Let's start with the easy setup of the RFTC-6 zone glass thermostat. In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to power it on, connect it to your Wi-Fi, register it in the iNELS app, and prepare everything for comfortable control of your heating and cooling. First, download the iNELS application from the App Store or Google Play. This app will allow you to register your RFTC-6 and control all devices directly from your phone. RFTC-6 is connected directly to the 110 to 230 volt AC mains. Connect the live wire to terminal L and the neutral wire to terminal N. It also features a terminal for an external temperature sensor and a built-in 16-amp relay that can control a heater, boiler, or other heating device. On your phone, open Wi-Fi settings and look for the network named RFTC-6. The default Wi-Fi password is ELKO EP_6. After connecting, open your browser and enter the IP address 192.168.1.1 to access the setup page. Here in the Service tab, activate Client Mode. After activation, return to your Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your home Wi-Fi network. Register and log in. Next, open the iNELS app. If you don't have an account yet, tap Create Account and register with your email. Click the link to verify your account. After confirming your registration, log in with your credentials. Select Gateway Administration. Click the Add Gateway button. It will scan for products, and then display all available elements. Identify the device you want to connect based on its IP or MAC address. Then enter the default login credentials. These can be changed later in the web interface. And after successful addition, you will see RFTC-6 in the gateway settings. This is an example of a pre-configured heating circuit using the internal relay and built-in temperature sensor of the RFTC-6. In this mode, the thermostat directly controls the heating circuit based on the measured room temperature. This setup is suitable for electric underfloor heating or other direct heating systems. And now let's move on to the configuration itself. Once the gateway is added, you can register your devices. To add a device, you'll need to enter its unique RF address, which is printed directly on the product label. After the device is registered, create rooms, for example, living room, kitchen, and bathroom, and assign the devices to the correct rooms. Now it's time to create temperature plans. Next, set up your temperature modes: comfort, normal, attenuation, and minimum. The temperature of each mode can be freely edited to match your preference. For each plan, set the timestamps, the exact times during the day when a specific temperature mode should be active. and select the days of the week when the plan should apply. You can prepare a unique plan for each room individually, so the living room, kitchen, and bathroom can all have their own schedule with different temperature settings. Once your plans are ready, define the heating and cooling areas. Add temperature sensor of the RFTC-6 and temperature plan of the living room. Then select heating units. Thermo valve of the radiator, which is located in living room. Add living room heating area into the living room. Create 3 areas: living room, kitchen, and bathroom. Each heating area can be linked to its own plan and assigned to a particular room. Finally, assign the heating areas to the correct rooms in your app. This way, every zone in your home has its own customized schedule and precise control. You'll now be able to see all your devices, rooms, and heating or cooling areas directly in the app. You can control each room individually, switch between temperature modes, and choose program modes such as automatic, holiday, permanent manual, or temporary manual. Using the buttons on the front panel, you can easily switch between heating zones. The display shows the active zone where you can adjust the settings. The system supports up to 16 zones, giving you flexible and efficient management of your entire home. You can now control RFTC-6 via the iNELS cloud in a web browser. After entering the login credentials, you will see the RFTC-6 controls in the Rooms folder. You can adjust the temperature modes. Control the buttons and use the plus or minus buttons to control the temperature. The iNELS cloud service is free and allows you to control your RFTC-6 remotely. When connected to the cloud, you can access your devices from anywhere, not only when you are at home on the same Wi-Fi, but also when you are away. This gives you full control of heating, cooling, and automation anytime and anywhere.